Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Got another beauty advent calendar for you guys and it finally came. It's the one by Lookfantastic and here it is. I think it took, I don't know, it was probably 2 weeks in customs for some reason. I don't know. I ordered this, I think, in the first week of October and it's now the first week of November. So it finally came and unfortunately it's sold out. I know. I apologize for that. But I'll still do the unboxing video just so you know what's in here and for future reference. I kind of like to see what's been in previous boxes in years before and kind of compare it to the current year. I don't know. That's just me, but anywho, here it is right there. A pretty black and white and gold pattern. It says, "Look fantastic this Christmas," and I like that. Wearing a black and white shirt with gold earrings, just kind of, match. Lookfantastic also did a beauty box, and that one unfortunately is sold out. But it has the same kind of packaging as the advent calendar, and let me show it to you real quick. If you didn't see the video, I'll link it down below, but here is the beauty box. Very similar. This one costs $110 US, and since I do subscribe to their beauty box, we get $20 off. So this one cost me $90. There are 25 drawers in here and it's said to be worth, let me look, $640 US. So let's see if it does. All right, here it is again, and you open it up like that and there are 25 drawers in there. There's one that's a gold drawer. And it does have a little saying in the inside flap. It does say, "Look fantastic this Christmas. Countdown to Christmas in style with the Lookfantastic Advent Calendar. Open the doors to 25 days of luxurious beauty treats for you to indulge in. Specifically curated to help you be, feel, and look fantastic. With love from Team Fantastic." Well, all right, let's go ahead and open up drawer number one, the gold one. And there's the gold drawer, and there's the product all nice and wrapped in pink tissue. It's kind of small for a big drawer, don't you think? Oh, and we have something from Natasha Denona. And it's the Blush Glow Duo Blush and Highlighting Powder. And it's a real pretty pink. I like it. Kind of matches the pink tissue there. All right, so for the first day, we have some makeup. And I believe that this one retails for $19 US. Oh, wow. The numbers are really small in here. And number two is a small box, and we have a brush. And it's a Luxie brush. And let's see what type of a brush this is for. Probably for blush and highlighting, maybe? Yeah, it's a tapered highlighting brush. So that's pretty nice. It gives you the highlighter and the brush. Day three is this skinny one. Ooh, I think I know what this is. It's a shower gel by Molten Brown. It's a pretty good size. It's not the real small travel size. And it's the Delicious Rhubarb and Rose Shower Gel. This is 100 ml, 3.3 fluid ounce. So this is a good size. Okay, day four, we have a little bit of a bigger drawer. And we have something from Rodial. Love their eye cream, the Bee Venom eye cream. Love it. So what do we have here? The Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water. Okay, that'll be nice to try another micellar water. Because the one that I'm using right now is my favorite, the one by Bioderma. So I like to try something different. And I do like the pump mechanism here. This type of mechanism just seems cleaner when you pump it down. For day five, we have something small. It looks like a cream eyeshadow. Yes, it's by Mina and it's the cream eyeshadow 532. Is that the shade? Yeah, that seems to be the shade. So let's look and see. Ooh, that's a pretty bronzy color. That would be great for a one and go type of a look. I like that. I'm looking online and I guess I'm pronouncing it wrong. It's not Mina. It has the number three, Ina. And I only have it in British pounds and this one costs 14 British pounds 95. It's a good full-size product there. For day six, we have something for the hair. It's the Elasticizer by Philip Kingsley. And it looks to be a scented one. Let's see. It's the Mayan Vanilla and Orange Blossom. And you have 40 mils of product, which is 1.35 fluid ounce in here. So it's a good travel size. Day seven, we have a product that I've used before. It's by Ren, the Ready Set Glow Daily AHA Tonic. Another travel size is 50 mils of product, which is 1.7 fluid ounce. And this is great. Right before my serums and moisturizers, I'll just put a little bit upon my hand and just kind of pat it on my skin to give me that extra hydration and also to kind of exfoliate the skin. For day eight, we have a small little jar of the Eve L'Homme Cleanser, something that shows up in a lot of beauty boxes and advent calendars, but actually I didn't see it that much this year up until now. And I don't see a cloth with this, which is okay because I've got a lot of cleansing cloths that I can use, especially from Eve L'Homme. Yeah, this is 20 mils of product, another travel size. This is what I'll use for my first cleanse. Just grab a little bit and rub it in my hands and apply it to my dry face. Let it melt away the makeup, then I'll get the cleansing cloth with warm water and just wipe it off. And it really does its job, and it has a good scent too. Day 9, we have something small. Looks to be a pencil of some sort. It's by Diego de la Palma, and it's an eye pencil in the shade 01. So it's a black eyeliner pencil. And you know I love my black eyeliner, so it's always good to have one. Day 10, we have something big, finally. Oh, and it's by Rituals, which I love the brand Rituals. And let's see what we got. And it looks like it's the Ritual of Sakura. Yes, it's Ritual Sakura, which is organic rice and cherry blossom scent. And what do we have? It's a Celebrate Each Day body scrub. And I love their body scrub, especially this one that's a little bit more scrubby. It's not in a cream formula. It's 4.4 fluid ounce, which is a really good size. It's not the full size, but it's a good size. I feel like we're just zipping through this calendar. For day 11, another small product. It's the Tan Luxe Super Glow Hyaluronic Self-Tan Serum. I don't need to self-tan, so I'm glad it's a small bottle. How many ounces of product in here? 10 mils of product. Day 12 looks like lipstick. It's by Illamusca. It's the Lock Lip Polish, so I believe it's a lip gloss in the shade Vogue. Ooh, that's a pretty color. That's a pretty shade right there. Could have been red for the holidays, but this is good too. Day 13. Day 13, we have an eye mask. I don't know if this box is worth $640 US. So far, from the products that we're getting, I don't know. This just doesn't seem to be worth it. I don't know. That's just me. That's just me. It says that this is from the brand Glove, which I do love their little eye makeup remover pads, the reusable ones. And this one says it's worth 12 British pounds 99. Okay. You know what? My older brother loves to sleep with these eye masks, so I think this will be great for his stocking. So all right, we got a plus in there. For day 14, we have something from Elemis, and this one is a pricey brand. It's the Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. This one you get 30 mils of product, which is 1 ounce. And let me see if I can find the price. Okay, this one is 30 mils, but the 50 mils, which is full size, that one's worth $160. Wow. So this one's probably worth 63 British pounds. That's the only thing I could find about this. Day 15, we're back to getting something small. And it's from the brand E-Cooking, which I have tried before. Ooh, and it's a vitamin C serum. You get 10 mils of product, and it says that it's worth 21 British pounds. I always like to try different vitamin C serums because there are a lot of them out there. And there are some that won't work, and there are some that will work. And the only way to see if one does work is to try it. And so I haven't tried anything from E-Cooking, the vitamin C serum, before. And it's a good size to try. For day 16, we have a good size tube of This Works, the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. A multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. And this one is full size, and it's worth 30 British pounds. So it's a lavender body lotion, which is really good because, you know, right before you go to bed, you do want to have that calming scent to help you fall asleep. I don't know, I'm just trying to make these products sound a little bit better because, in all honesty, I am a little disappointed for this year's Lookfantastic Advent Calendar. That's just me. That's just me. For day 17, we're back to something small, and it's by Amor Visca, and it's the Silver Skin Savior Cream. Usually we get the Hungarian Mist or a mask, and let me look and see what this one is about. This potent blend combats blemishes and breakouts. It also has salicylic and glycolic acids. So this sounds really nice. I mean, it is small, but it sounds really nice, especially for my acne-prone skin. You get 15 mils of product, which is half an ounce, and I'm looking, and it says it's worth 21 British pounds. Some of these I could find the price and some I can't, especially the small travel sizes. This is what we get for day 18. It's by the brand Sleep, and it's a hydrating primer. 20 mils of product in here, and it does say that it's a full size, and this one's worth 8 British pounds. It's nice to have a primer in here, especially one that gives you hydration. Day 19, another small product. Okay, this is something new. We have something from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's the Lash Brag. It's the mascara, volumizing mascara. I didn't know Anastasia had a mascara, honestly. But again, it's a sample size, and ooh, like the little bottle there. And I wonder, is this one of her new mascaras? I don't know, but it's nice that they put something in here like this. Day 20, we have something from Mayo, and it's the Clay Away Body Cleanser. So I'm assuming it is a body scrub. And it says it's a 2-in-1 wash and mask. So you can use it to wash your body, or for a more intense treatment, apply to dry skin and leave for 2 minutes, then rinse off. Okay, that's good to try. Let's see how much. You get 30 mils of product, 1 ounce. Day 21, another small product. It's by Filorga, which shows up in a lot of these beauty boxes. And it's the Time Filler Absolute Wrinkle Correction Cream. You get 15 mils of product, which is half an ounce in here. Day 22, we have a brand that I know and love. It's by Claudie, and this is Purifying Gel Cleanser. Another little travel size, which is 30 mils, 1 fluid ounce. It does say it's for combination to oily skin, which is good. That's what I have, combo oily skin. And the next day is day 23. All right, we have something from Avant Skincare, and this one is a pricey brand, I can tell you that. And it's the Harmonious Rose Quartz Revitalizing and Firming Mask. It has rose quartz, hyaluronic, sweet almond, and avocado oil. Get 50 mils of product, which is 1.7 ounce. Let me see how much this one costs. All right, this one cost, this size right here cost $105 US. Wow. That one I was able to find in US dollars. So this pretty much pays for the calendar itself. Everything else is just free. And I hope it does what it's supposed to do, revitalize and firm my skin. I know it sounds like I'm beating up on this calendar, but I have to be truthful here. It's not my favorite. Not my favorite. Let's see what the last 2 days will be. Day 24, Christmas Eve, by Lord & Berry, and it's the Perfect Brow Magic Pencil Definer in the shade Brunette. Okay, a brow pencil. It may be a little light for me. So it does have the pencil right there. Does it have a spoolie at least? Yes, it does have a spoolie, which is good. Last, we have day 25, Christmas Day, and let's see what we got. Does seem to be something big. All right, we have something from Heba, and that is also a good brand. It's a 24-hour balancing moisturizer. It's an oil balancing moisturizer to help hydrate and clarify. 55 mils of product in here, which is 1.8 fluid ounce. Let me see how much this one costs. Okay, this one is full size, and it's worth 42 British pounds. Well, all right, these are the products that are in this year's Lookfantastic Beauty Advent Calendar, and like I've said before, I'm kind of disappointed in this year. Again, that's just me. That's just me. I think that there are a lot of travel size, sample size products in here that, I don't know, it was just a little too much. I do have to admit the full size are good products, and they kind of do pay for the calendar itself, like the Avant mask and even this Heba moisturizing cream. And I do love the Molten Brown Shower Gel, and I can't wait to try the Rhodial Micellar Water. But again, all in all, not my favorite calendar this year. I know. I feel bad that I have to say it, but I have to be truthful. It's not my favorite. I can see why now that it took so long to get here. And for the most part, I'll probably be giving a lot of these away, maybe in future giveaways or for Christmas. So I guess it's not a total bust if I do it that way. I have one more advent calendar to unbox, and it's by Space NK. And I have a feeling that's going to be a little bit better than this one by Lookfantastic. I'm sorry, I had to say it. But I'll be doing that video after this, and that should be about it with advent calendars. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this Lookfantastic Beauty Advent Calendar unboxing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.